rebel. Being a rebel without a cause and all. I don't understand why I just can't conform.
Nuclear bomb!
Duck and cover!
Now, kids. Settle down. Very good job. Except you, Kathy. You need to work on your duck and cover.
Whatever. Why do you gotta go causing a ruckus for?
It's protocol. It's...
Why can't we learn about, like, the world or something? I mean, there's this whole war going on over there, the Cold War, and then there's the whole Sputnik thing. You know, shouldn't we be learning about that instead of duck and cover for things that aren't even gonna save us?
Now. The world is a very big place. You girls would be better helping out in the home. Making babies, cleaning dishes. Like Annie here. We'll probably do with Ralphie.
That would be dreamy.
Well, get ready for a major disappointment, all right? I hear that Ralphie likes Mary Sue here, and that they kissed.
How could you? Annie, wait! I'm sorry! I didn't mean to!
God, go to the principal!
Yeah, whatever. I'm going. Stupid classroom in 19.
Those kids.
This has been a Goody and Goody production. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy. See you again later.